Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing a tutorial on how I made these really cute pendants for junk journals. So junk journal jewelry. This is a design team project for a trace of sparkle. Um, so I'm about to show you what I used. So I used these blooming frames from her shop. I also have these journal pages, but I will show you on another video. So to get started, I use a circle punch. I think it's 3/4 or 1 inch in diameter. Some scissors. This Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. I already had it. It's really good for this type of project. I got these pendants. I will link everything that I use below. So here are the frames. I already cut them down from the paper that I printed them off of. They are super cute little frames. And there is so much you can do with these frames. You can do pockets. You can do jewelry just like I did. You can do use them as ephemera in your journals. So I decided to go with this frame here. It's super pretty. I already do two different ones. So I went ahead and did this one. I'm just gonna cut to where I can get to the flower. And here it's just not centered like I wanted it to be. So I cut a little bit more. So now that I cut it, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it. So now I'm just cleaning off the glue because it went through the paper a little bit, but you just get a wet wipe and it'll clean it off. And then I'm gonna add glue to the top of the flower and then just add the dome. Now you gotta let it dry overnight. And if you got some glue that's coming off, you just wipe it off with a wipe. So now I'm gonna attach a chain and a jump ring on it. And then attach the lobster clasp to it too. I need another jump ring so I can attach it to the pendant. But as you can see here, I picked up one that's too small for it. So so I end up having to use another one. So this is the finished product. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.